In this video, we will talk about the best voice assistant, so make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video from RS Technology. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Whether your voice assistant is the hub of your smart home, or simply a smartphone-based helper that tells you if it's raining, the best assistants streamline your relationship with technology. Voice assistants, or virtual assistants, are more than just the cool, often female voices that respond to your verbal requests to play a song or check the weather. They are the point of communication between you and all your connected devices. But whether your voice assistant is the hub of your smart home, or simply a smartphone-based helper that tells you if it's raining, the best assistants streamline your relationship with technology. How we chose the best voice assistants. Compatibility. The value of a voice assistant hinges on the number of things it can control. On your phone, it should be able to access apps and accomplish simple tasks. At home, it should be able to complete household commands, like switching the light bulbs on and the thermostat off. Voice assistants that boast broad compatibility give you seamless control over disparate technology and, by extension, over the comfort and security of your home. It takes a major platform with a broad range of compatibilities to create a truly worthwhile voice assistant. Other, lesser-known options exist, but can't compete when it comes to controlling devices or responding to queries. Correct information, completed tasks. The highest calling of voice control technology. They allow our devices to recede into the background, enabling technology to disappear. In day-to-day usage, voice assistants live up to this mission by answering general questions. One of the 2018 study by SEO and digital marketing firm Stone Temple, now Perficient Digital, tested the smartness of digital personal assistants by comparing the accuracy and completeness of responses to over 4,000 questions. Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Microsoft Cortana pulled to the front, with Siri in fourth place. Affiliated smart speakers. In our smart home survey, we asked over 1,200 people about their favorite home automation devices. Smart speakers and hubs came out on top. Add to this the fact that the majority of people use voice commands when home alone, according to a 2019 Perficient Digital survey, and you have a good reason that your voice assistant should be accessible via smart speaker. Google, Amazon, and Apple all offer various smart speakers and hubs that run their voice assistants. Microsoft's is only available through third-party devices. Samsung doesn't yet offer an in-house hub, though one is slated to be released in late summer 2019. The best voice assistants. Amazon Alexa. Why we chose it? Intelligent. Amazon Alexa can answer general questions and perform tasks such as providing a news briefing or calendar reminder. The voice assistant recently gained a follow-up mode that allows you to give multiple commands to Alexa. Simply give your follow-up command after your first, and Alexa will respond without having to be woken up or reactivated. More importantly, these conversational capabilities show that Alexa is keeping pace in the quickly evolving world of voice assistant technology. Research suggests that she is learning more quickly than the competition, exhibiting an increasing ability to handle natural language requests. Smart home support. Amazon Alexa boasts the greatest compatibility with other smart home devices of all the voice assistants we compared. Most voice assistants work with popular smart home picks like the Philips Hue lights and the Ring doorbell camera. Still, Alexa is compatible with 7,400 brands and counting. Contrast that with Google Assistant's roughly 1,000 and Siri's 50-ish. Granted, Google Assistant is catching up, but Alexa still leads the pack when it comes to the number of options you have for automating your home. An important feature if you want to shop third-party devices as you build your smart home. Points to consider. Inaccurate answers. A recent study by Perficient Digital revealed that Amazon Alexa has a slight tendency to answer questions incorrectly or not provide a relevant answer. At times, it might even take a few attempts until you get the answer you seek. However, it is important to note that this is also due to Alexa now answering a much larger range of questions. The likelihood of inaccurate responses increases with the number of prompts. Lee Malin, founder of voice and mobile application company Rarely Impossible, explained that while useful voice assistant technology is still in the early stages and requires a learning curve, it takes a little practice to learn how to phrase voice commands to get consistent and effective responses. Google Assistant. Why we chose it? Accuracy. While the capabilities of voice assistants are constantly changing as companies release new updates, a test of more than 4,000 questions led by Stone Temple before the Perficient digital merger, Google Assistant consistently outperformed other industry leaders, repeatedly recognizing and correctly responding to questions. If you have a Google Home speaker, Google Assistant can understand 2 commands at the same time, a step up from Amazon Alexa's follow-up mode. Alexa can tell you the indoor temperature and then adjust the thermostat, but Google Assistant can adjust the thermostat and also switch on the TV. Thanks to newer, smaller technology, Google Assistant is also faster, expanding capabilities. Google Assistant falls behind Alexa when it comes to smart device compatibility, but the voice assistant is rapidly catching up. In 2018, Google launched Routines, a feature identical to Amazon Alexa's Routines, allowing you to string multiple actions together using a single command. For example, say, "Hey Google, good morning," and your assistant will turn on the lights, tell you the weather, and stream music. Google Assistants are also now compatible with everything from refrigerators to third-party smart displays and can understand commands made in pairings of languages, which is important in bilingual households. Continued compatibility and language advancements are a good sign that Google Assistant won't be an outdated choice anytime soon. Apple Siri. Why we chose it? Apple integration. When choosing a voice assistant, it makes sense to consider the technological ecosystem of your home or the brands and devices you use. Opting for Siri-enabled products can lead to a more streamlined tech experience for those who are loyal to the Apple ecosystem. Apple's products excel at leveraging each other's strengths. iPads, HomeKit devices, and the HomePod smart speaker are specifically designed to work better together. HomeKit compatibility. Siri, who comes pre-downloaded on the world's 1.4 billion active Apple devices, works with smart devices that are compatible with Apple's home automation service HomeKit. The number of integrations is limited compared to Amazon and Google, but Apple regulates what is available to ensure the products are effective and easy to use. Activating an automation feature is as simple as giving a regular command, which stands in contrast to specialized activation words required by Alexa and Google Assistant. Better still, if you have a HomePod, any HomeKit products you already have set up will integrate with the speaker on their own during setup. Language support. Siri's main advantage over competitors is the ability to understand multiple languages. The voice assistant currently understands 21 languages, compared to Alexa's 3 and Google Assistant's 4. It's important to recognize that Siri only supports English when using the Apple HomePod smart speaker. Still, her multilingual capabilities on the iPhone make her a strong option for those who speak a language outside of Alexa or Google Assistant's limited options: English, French, German, Japanese. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.